There is the phone jack at the top of the steps to the upstairs. So that's just still there and it's not hooked up and never will get hooked up. Here is the lamp that's here. Let me come around here and see if I can turn it on. Yep, there it is. It's nice. We'll come around here into the bathroom. There is the night light I had a video of. And we'll look around. Not really too much to see. It's a bathroom. It's nice. Nothing has changed. It's exactly as it was. We'll keep flipping switches till things happen here. There's the light. Oh, that's real loud. It's just the cover. That must be annoying. Jeez. So there's that. And we'll come around into the little storage area. This has been revamped. Really well organized. You got like your own friggin' CVS here. Pretty nice. This is all laid out nice. Still has that like metally finish, whatever that stuff is. Cotton balls, Listerine, Reveal, LED. They make them in fucking LED. That's sad. These are probably incandescent if they're globus bulbous. There's a red bulb and I think 2 incandescent blacklight bulbs. She keeps the old packages and keeps bulbs in there. And here is the fixture. I actually have the same type 1 in my stairwell to the basement, as does XJO81X. So continuing on, thermostats are still here. Peter Rabbit is still watching over you. And we will go in here. Nothing has changed too much, except there's a fan. Again, I don't know what these are. I don't know what brand they are. I don't know anything about them. They have LEDs, and in fact, this has some really weird LEDs. So that, and I guess that got damaged either in the package or while putting it up, or maybe something hit it while something else was going on in the room. Them not being sure that there was a ceiling fan here because there never used to be. It was all installed nice. There's no exposed wiring or anything like that. And it goes to a fan and dimmer control. But this is the wrong type. I'll put the light on all the way. Wah. Just stupid. Doesn't do any good. It's dim, and that's the main light in the room. Fail. Fail, 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 fail. I guess it's a Hampton Bay. You fan twerps, you can tell me what it is. I don't give a shit, but you can tell me. And you'll notice that if I dim the light down, it's very, very sensitive. And different rooms do different things here, I found. That's actually all the way dim. And yeah, it's there. It stays on. Another room. Oh, it just got brighter out of nowhere. And then it went out. Yep. But no, we still have power. And there is a delay. Just very, very slight. The fan will get a run up on the tripod, so I'm going to come back around to all the rooms. So there's a day bed and her gothic shit. I don't know what it is. There is my old coffee table that I had in my apartment, and actually in the house. It made the move to the house with us, obviously. And it had lost its rubber thing, so she put some goop there, whatever it is, that's fine. Closet is still here with the skeleton key. As such, original. It's a closet. There's a CFL. The Polaroid instant camera box was her first Polaroid camera, and had that when she was a kid, and it actually went with us to Universal Studios Florida back in the day. We took it with us on vacation and took Polaroids back in the day because we're old and things. So that's the closet. But somehow the guy, whoever they had do the work for the FAENS, there we go, you know, was able to go up in the attic and run the power and for the light, and you know, did a decent job with that. Your reversing switch, but again, we'll carry on. We'll go directly across the hall into the other room. This also has a fan. It's different. We'll put the light on full bore. Yay. LEDs. This one is brighter than the other two. One of them flickered, I don't know which, or maybe it just depends on the day. There it is. Probably you can tell. So that's that. Again, I don't know what kind of fan it is, but we'll take a look at that again. Same everything that's been here. This lamp I had found thrown out. It's a touch lamp, so that's nice. There are two things plugged in, and oddly, I don't know what the second one is. Okay, I don't know. Oh, the turtle. I don't know where the switch is. It's probably hiding back there. I'm not going to be touching this shit, you know. So, closet here. Skeleton key once again. Bins in here. Put an LED in this. Yuck. But for a closet, that's... I think, honestly, for a closet, an LED is acceptable if it has a light in it. So it's just a closet, you know. So shut that. She had that forever. I guess we should see what the other side says. I don't even remember. Huh. Interesting. Okay. We'll just close the door on that one. And that is this room. All of her tchotchkes, little trinkets and shit that she's collected over the years. I remember all of these right here in the front from when we were younger. I'm sure if I go through all of this, I'll be like, oh my god, you have that for like fucking 30 years. She doesn't throw anything out. I don't either. It's the sickness that runs in the family. Okay, on to the bedroom. Here is the same kind of control. A different fan. Let's put it on. Oh, a delay. Did you see the delay? Shorter that time, but still there. It dims to okay. I would like to see dimmer, but you know, that's that. I guess I'll leave it on. The Sesame Street lamp. She put a CFL in it, really? It works. I guess maybe when it warms up it would do better with the shade, unless it's just yellowed that so bad over the years. I had this as a kid and she ended up with it somehow. I don't really remember. But that was that. Dresser, shit on that. Oh, here it is. The Whirlpool Air Conditioner. My sister called me a few weeks ago and she said, yeah, the air conditioner in the bedroom is like all fucked up. It makes this horrible noise. Like, I don't know, like we can't sleep with it or anything, and it's just blah, 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 and this and that. Okay. Yeah. Why she doesn't say, hey, help me, you know, the air conditioner is fucked, I don't know. But how and why it just did that, I don't know. That's the noise it was making. She couldn't even describe it to me. I just had to see it for myself. I don't know. I have a sneaking suspicion, as much as I really hate to say this. See, my sister doesn't understand, and her boyfriend doesn't understand the vintage factor, where vintage stuff is better and will last forever, and something like this should definitely be at least a repair attempted to keep it in service rather than replacing it with something new. But under this blanket are two air conditioners. Oh, Jesus Christ. That and another one. Okay. So I don't know anything about them or what's going to happen. I would gather they're going to pull that out, probably just throw it the fuck out and stick one of these in there and call it good. I don't know where they came from or anything, but that's the deal. So it's fucked. It just is. You know, I'm in no control here. Okay, I don't have any jurisdiction over this. I'm doing this even though I really shouldn't really be doing it. This light used to have a pull chain that went through that hook, but that has now been wired in with a switch. A little bit of a fuck up there. Not sure if the outlet was added also or if it was there. I don't remember, but that has a CFL in it. Probably the same one. I don't know if the fixer is the same either. Okay, so that completes the upstairs. So now we're going to go back and we're going to go into the various rooms. We'll start in here with this fan, and I'll turn it on and I'll turn it off. So get out your Vaseline, get out your Jergens, get out whatever you use, because we're going to get started right now. After, of course, a break. We'll see you in the next video for that. Ha! Gotcha! Keep you waiting. That's what you get for keep fucking pestering me, you dickheads. Anyways, the FAENS will be the next video. Enjoy!